Today, I'm going to show you how to fix a Monday.com integration error quickly and safely. If your app connection is failing, not syncing, or showing a generic error, don't worry, because in most cases, the issue comes down to a simple refresh, a network problem, a broken connection, or permissions that need to be rechecked. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps to get the integration working again without wasting time guessing. If this helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is refresh the page. Sometimes the simplest fix is the one that works, especially if Monday.com or the connected app had a temporary loading issue. After refreshing, wait a few seconds and see if the integration starts working normally. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause integrations to fail, especially if the app is trying to sync data in real time. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run a speed test to make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow or dropping, try switching networks, restarting your router, or reconnecting once your connection is stronger. Once you've ruled out the network, move on to reconnecting the integration itself. This is often the best fix when the connection token has expired, the authorization has become outdated, or the app is no longer communicating properly with Monday.com. Go to Monday.com and click your profile picture. From there, open Admin, then go to Apps. Look for the integration that's causing the error. Click the three-dot icon next to it and choose Uninstall. Don't worry, this usually removes the broken connection so you can start fresh. After that, go back to the Monday.com marketplace, search for the same integration again and install it once more. When prompted, sign in and reconnect the account carefully so the app can create a new valid connection. This step often resolves token issues and restores normal syncing. If the problem still isn't fixed after reinstalling, the next thing to check is permissions. Many integration errors happen because the connected account does not have the correct access level, or because the authentication tokens are no longer valid. Open the integration settings and make sure the connected account has the required permissions for the boards, items, and actions you're trying to use. If you're on a team account, confirm that the right user is connected and that the account has permission to read, write, or update the necessary data. If anything looks off, reconnect using the correct account and authorize it again so the tokens are refreshed properly. At this point, if the integration error was caused by a temporary glitch, a bad connection, or expired permissions, it should now be resolved. The key is to go through the fixes in order. Refresh first, check your internet next, reconnect the integration, and then verify permissions. That workflow solves most Monday.com integration issues without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.